In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog post in WordPress homepage with Elementor. So in order to do this, the first thing you need to do is to head over right here to your WordPress.com website. Make sure to log in if you already have an account. But if you do not have one yet, you can head over and then click onto this Get Started option that we can see right here in order to create an account on your own. So I actually recommend you to get the subscription for business or enterprise in order to install a plugin. Now in my case, you can also head over and then get the Elementor option and then get the actual subscription from there. Now this is what my website or dashboard looks like. So in order to add a blog post in your WordPress homepage, you just need to head over to your actual pages right here. Go to pages, go to all pages, and into this part, scroll down and then locate your homepage. So this is actually my homepage. So hover to that and click onto this Edit with Elementor. This is what it looks like right here. So in order to edit the blog, you first need to head over and then input right here the things that you want added. So in here on my homepage, I'll just change the title. And then into this part, you can see in here that you can add the widget. So click on this plus icon. And then into this, you can click onto this text editor. And then add that right here. And then it shall be added. So in here, you can just add the actual content of the blog that you wish to add. You can also add some images that you want to utilize for your blog. You can also use the AI in order to write your blog. Let me head over and write a blog. Click onto this Write with AI and then it will give you this. So click onto this Connect option in order to connect the Elementor AI through this way. You can also connect other various forms of AI like ChatGPT and incorporate them into your Elementor. So that's how you add a blog post in WordPress homepage with Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.